This is an emergency message from the government of Belgium. Stay tuned to this channel. As of November 5, 1989, several unidentified aircraft have been spotted over positions in Belgium. Our military has mobilized because we believe these to be either craft from the Soviet Union or the Warsaw Pact members. Belgium will not allow these craft to trespass into our airspace. NATO is currently dispatching fighter jets to force these aircraft out of our airspace. Should this lead to a war, all able-bodied males 18 to 24 may be conscripted. If you're a part of this group, prepare for conscription just in case. Should you witness any of these craft, alert your nearest police station and or military base. This is the end of the message. The situation should be under control soon.